and you're watching the CMS Broadcast. Today is Thursday, April 17th.
Which means there are only 27 days left of school.
Yay, I'm so excited for school to be over.
Same. Oh, speaking of summer, do you have any plans for the summer?
Yeah, I'm going to the beach.
Me too.
Remember, phones need to be turned off and put away during school hours.
And Chromebooks are not allowed to be brought into the commons. This also applies to chess club.
Here's the update with Jackie and Shadow. The eagles that are nesting in Big Bear Valley.
Jackie and Shadow's eaglets are now named Sunny and Gizmo.
Oh, how cute is little Sunny and Gizmo?
I know, how cute.
I know. Here are the 8th grade requirements for the end of the year field trip to bowling pools. No more than 3 minor infractions and no major infractions, starting May 12th until the end of the day of the field trip.
Students must be passing 5 out of 7 classes, which means you cannot earn a failing grade in more than 2 classes. The final grade check will be on June 9th.
Don't forget to bring in your canned food items for the Make a Dent and Hunger Food Drive.
Thanks for a reminder.
7th grade
Is definitely going to win the competition.
Are you ready for the fun fact of the week?
Yeah, but only if I can say the character of the week.
Okay, deal. Okay, this one is a little weird. Did you know that your brain is constantly eating itself through a process called phagocytosis?
What? That's crazy. How?
I don't know.
Okay, now my turn to say the character of the week. Drum roll, please. Patrick Star!
I love Patrick Star. He's such a baddie.
Real.
And for the lunch on Monday is quesadilla.
Yum.
Okay, well I think that's all for the CMS Broadcast. Bye.
Wait, we forgot that baseball and softball both have a home game on Monday.
What? What? Oh my gosh, we forgot something else.
What?
The joke of the week.
Brooke, quick, do you have something in mind?
Oh yeah, always, you know me.
Okay, then say it.
Okay, why did the fish blush?
Why?
Because it saw the ocean's bottom.
Well, that's a real knee slapper.
Well, now I think that's all from the CMS Broadcast. Bye. Phagocytosis.
phagocytosis.